slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
So this is the day in the life of a Turo host. As you guys can see, car's all washed up, fresh and clean. Yeah, the gas stations got fuel them up. Looking good. My first laser wash. Looking good, looking good. So yeah, it's the life of a, Turo host. So you feel me? You get your booking, First thing you gotta do is sanitize everything. So I got a Lysol wipes. Bam, wipe everything, steering wheel, everything on the doors, cup holders, literally everything. As you guys can see, even in the back. And then you vacuum everything. I already vacuumed everything. You can see the floor, seats, spotless, doors, nothing in there, spotless. You can see floor. No sticky stuff in the cup holders, none of that. No sticky stuff on the gear, none of that. No crummies. Nice and smooth, clean, clear. So yeah, guys, once you feel me, got your Lysol wipes or whatever, disinfect your whole everything. Then boom, vacuum everything out. Make sure that's clean, inside's clean. Then as you guys can see, bang. Got the exterior washed up, and boom, full of gas. So it's all ready for my renter to, and that's it, fresh oil change. And make sure your cars are maintained too, guys. So that's pretty much it. I'm a Turo host, so if you guys ever think about becoming a Turo host, I get questions about it all the time. I would definitely say so. Car's clean, inside, outside, fueled up, good oil change, runs well. So, that's just the main thing, guys.